Tips to elevate your life. I have a couple I want to share with you. And the first one I want to share with you is love your audience. Guys, you're sitting in here with me right in front of me, and it already speaks a lot about the love you're giving us here, and as well as the love of me giving it to you. I always feel so upbeat every single time that I am here on the live with you. I love every single moment of it. I treasure you. Okay, so how is it related to being a lash artist or a microblading artist? Your audience is your client. Your clients are the ones who always giving you, who motivates you every single step of the business that you're in. What do I mean by that? I remember back in the day, or even sometimes now, that I work on a client and I come up to Kim and I said, Kim, I work on your lashes and I notice that your skin needs help. Now I know, financially you're not able to, but I want to do this because I like giving my clients the genuine attention. You can pay me later. So Kim was ecstatic, right? She was like, well, you don't have to do this. You don't have to go out of your way. Whenever I get my next paycheck, I would probably, take your advice and use this treatment. And I said, no. That will be a month from now. But I know your skin with this acne that are flaring up right now, it needed attention. It needed help. So there you go. Kim takes that offer. And genuinely, she felt it. Okay. She is my client. She is my audience. And I am loving every single moment of it, that I can give my audience the genuine attention. So your clients are your audience. The next one I want to share with you is just be yourself. It's so funny how I'm sitting up here. I remember back in the day where I was like, no, this thing is not me. I am not comfortable sitting here in front of the camera and remembering the lines and all that. I keep stumbling. I keep don't know what to do with my face, my hair, my hands. And it's not myself. However, I learned, right? And then eventually, right now, I'm comfortable. I'm talking to you. And really in life, this is how I am. This is who I am. I'm very expressive with my hands, with my gesture, with my my vocabularies. I can be very, in your face. But if I were to be very proper, if I were to think that I needed to be like newscaster, anchor, or Oprah Winfrey, I could not be exactly who that person is. You see what I'm saying? So be yourself. Be who you are. And how is this relating to you being a lash artist and being a microblading artist? The only thing that I would like to give you advice to that is be who you are as a lash artist. Don't pretend. So if your work is still intermediary, like a beginner, and you promise someone, your clients, that, hey, I can do this hybrid or volume set for you, but really you cannot perform that set. Be who you are until you become the best of that person. Okay. And that's just be yourself. The next one I want to share is align yourself with your dreams. When I started out with this business, I have a dream and I have a goal. To set that dream, I set my goal, short-term goal and long-term goal. So short-term goal is to be able to get minimum at least 3 to 5 new clients in a week. So I set myself in a month, I need to get at least 30 new clients in a month. So once I achieve that, I go, well, at least I wanted to get a minimum of 500 in 6 months. Is that possible? Sometimes, but that's my goal. Okay, now, along with that, I have a dream. Until I finish my goal, I am building my dream. What is my dream down the line? My dream is to be able to teach and at least bring my skills, bring my experience, bring my knowledge to the new lash artist, microblading artist, or anyone who is coming into the beauty industry. And that's my dream. What is your dream? What do you want to do with your dream, and how is it that you align it with your life? So I want you to think about it. Think it hard once you start just stepping into this beauty industry, and it's very important. All right, guys, align yourself with your dreams. And the last thing I want to share is create a meaningful life. What do I mean by that? My life is a meaningful every single moment. Every day I wake up, I thank God that I am still alive. And most importantly, and most one of the happy moment that I am entering into my work office. Every single person in here, my colleagues, my staff from my 2 studios are the most meaningful moment and people in my life. And of course, most of all, it's my family. I didn't want to forget that. But walking into the office, the work office, they are the most meaningful people in my life. Second to that are my clients. And I wanted to create that. It's because it builds around you. It really elevates you, your positivity, your energy in creating this life. It's the people that you are come across every single moment of the day. So let's make the best of it. Create the life around you. Make the most meaningful moment for you. As a lash artist or any, microblading artist or a skin therapist, you learn to work with your client every single moment and create that energy, that relationship being the most meaningful moment for you in your life. Guys, I hope that helped. I hope what I give you is pretty genuine. Those are all coming from my experience and thinking that, I would want to share with you so that way you can, again, bring that and incorporate it into your workforce and also your life. Make the best of it. Okay, guys, coming back to our gift of the day. So are you ready? And if you are just coming in here with me and wanted to really, get a taste of this gift for the day, drop in your number 0 to 100, and you will then potentially receive this as a gift. And I'm going to have Lyndon go ahead and roll that numbers there. So, guys, while he's rolling, again, this is going to be a D curl 0.05 mixed lash for those who just entering into doing a volume, creating a volume and hybrid set. Okay, let's roll this number. 3, 2, 1. I like this. I always like this rolling number. Okay, 74. Wow, congratulations to anybody in here of you who has 74 or closer to 74. You are the winner. One of our staff will go ahead and contact you in a moment, and this gift will be on your way. Thank you, guys. All right, if you have any questions at all, if you want to share all this, go ahead and make a comment. Put in your opinion down here in our box. And this will be shared with everybody in the next live. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming in here with me, and I appreciate you. Again, the topic for the day is the tips to elevate your life. So hopefully, all that I'm discussing with you, you can pack it and wrap it and bring it with you, and really apply it to what you are doing in your daily life and your work. And coming up in our courses, I would just want to share with you, if someone of you or any one of you interested in signing up for the hair extension course. And again, this is going to be a very one and only first time with Miss Pinky Dillon. She's one of our best and also stage influencer in the beauty industry. So if anyone wants to check her out, her name is Pinky Dillon. The course will be held on Sunday, Monday, March 28, 29, 10 to 4 p.m. The kit is included in the course. That's amazing. You're going to get a really nice and beautiful kit. Sign up with us. Call 951-800-8007, and we will immediately sign you up. We do need signed up and head count, so that way your kit will be coming for you. Thank you guys for coming in here with this Monday. Your presence, your opinion, and your time spending with us is countless and is precious all the way. I appreciate you coming from here. This is Tanya Luong, founder of Glamour Academy, where your success is our priority. And I will see you again in the next live Wednesday. Ciao.